Hey, oh, I just hit my hand on the oven hood. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in the quarantine diaries, I'm gonna attempt to make healthy Krispy Kreme donuts. You heard that right, healthy Krispy Kreme donuts. The recipe that I'm gonna be doing, oh my god, where is it? Is this one. Guys, look how delicious this looks. Again, this is not a tutorial on how to make these donuts. I'm just recording myself making these donuts for the first time and seeing how it goes. It might turn out well, it might not. So yeah, let's do this. So I've got all of my ingredients, the coconut sugar, the almond flour, apple cider vinegar, eggs, pink salt, baking powder. I don't have coconut milk, but I did have coconut cream, so I'm hoping that that's gonna work. So she said to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and I did a quick Google, and that kind of roughly translates to 170 Celsius. So I'm gonna do that right now. 170. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So the first step, it just says to combine all the wet ingredients into a bowl and mix it really well. So let's just do that. Okay, so it's 2 eggs. 1, 2. And then it's half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. The lid is broken. Okay. About half. Oh, it really is such a strong smell. A tablespoon of the coconut cream, because I don't have coconut milk. I'm gonna have to rest like the spoon on here and squeeze it out. Wait, is this even gonna work? Because it's cream. Okay, so if that doesn't mix that well, I'm probably gonna have to pop it in my NutriBullet and blitz it until it blends really well. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, it's not like the coconut cream is not really mixing well. I'm gonna have to pop this in the NutriBullet. I hope this works. Okay, so now we're moving on to the dry ingredients, and I don't have like the American measurement thing, so when they actually do say like 1 cup, I just use 1 mug, and it's been working okay, so I think it's fine. I have the almond flour. It says to use 1 cup and 1 tablespoon, which is a bit like an odd thing, but okay. And that goes half a teaspoon of baking powder. Yep. Put the wet into the dry. Whee! And now we mix. I think because I didn't use coconut milk, I'm going to have to add in a little bit more liquid. I'm just gonna add in, I think, some almond milk. I'm just gonna add like a teeny bit. I went and also bought these silicone, oh god, like donut baking trays. So I will be baking them in this. I'm only just going to be using 1 because that recipe is for 6 donuts, and I didn't want to make more just in case like I mess this batch up. So let's put them in their molds. Okay, so I ended up just filling 5 of them because there wasn't enough mixture for 6. So I think these look okay. I've never used one of these like donut baking trays before, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so that's gonna go in for 12 minutes. 12 minutes. We only have 1 minute to go until they come out of the oven, and I just had a peek. They have risen, but like they have risen, but it is a little bit lumpy. I think because I should have blended the mixture a little bit more. The next time I'll do this, I'll probably just blitz everything in like a NutriBullet, or I'll get like a hand mixer, a hand electric mixer. But yeah, they're ready to take out the oven now, so I'm gonna do that. Do you see what I mean by a little bit lumpy? Yeah, I definitely, next time I'm gonna like blend it and mix it properly. So I'm gonna make the glaze. I'm just sieving some icing sugar. Okay, so I've taken them out of the silicone trays. I think next time for sure I'm gonna have to like spray some like oil on them before I put anything in, because you can see some of them is just like it got attached to the trays. This is an upside down one because half of it ripped off, but it's not that bad. Like this one's pretty good, this one's pretty good. I'm gonna wait for these to cool down and then I'm gonna glaze them. So I've glazed one of the donuts already. I've decided I'm gonna make the rest of the icing lemon. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of lemon juice. Time to glaze it. So I just dip it in. Oh, this looks banging. Ta-da! I did it. It looks pretty good. It smells pretty good. You wanna do a taste test? Of course he does. Or half one. And see how it tastes. Yeah, that's like the perfect one. Don't finger the hole. Cheers. Oh.
Oh, good.
Mmm. That's really good.
That's very good.
Well, that is it. That is me making donuts. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.